Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for a portable table, this one from Moosinily is exactly that. I love how simple it is to take on the go. So it folds right up, it has a built-in handle, and so it's nice and slim so you can take it anywhere. We have recently used this at a wedding, which was really convenient, but we especially use it when we go camping. So this one is 4 feet long, and it's height adjustable so you can use it nice and tall or a little bit shorter. You can sit on the ground or you can pull up a chair. We especially like it when we're camping, so we have a surface to work on. I can do my dishes on it. It locks into place so it feels secure. This one is white, super wipeable, so it's easy to clean. And when it's time to take it down, it folds right up. The legs retract. Everything fits nice and tightly together, and then you're good to go to store it or bring it in the back of the car. Anywhere you need this, it's very easy to take. So if you're looking for similar, I think this is a really good option. It is an awesome part of our camping gear, and that's my point of view.